Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Chad in Kentucky on this General AP Hill. Chad, we got you ready to go, bud. As you can see, we have cleaned this radio up. Did the best we could with the bezel, but the covers look brand new. Did a tune and alignment for you, and also fixed the radio. It was transmitting and receiving on 25 megahertz. Got that taken care of. Let's get right to it. On low, 5-watt slug, 2 watts of carrier, 5 watts on high. Let's go back down to low. 100 watt slug, average power, low, 17 bird, peak power, low, 40 peak. Alright, Chad is ready to go. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck. TruckCBSales.com. Bump bump.